Earth Day, Earth Day. Today is Earth Day. Cousin Kyrie and I are celebrating Earth Day. We reduce, we reuse, and we recycle. Look at the 4 green recycling bins we have outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. We place all that can be recycled into those bins. We even have bins for different items that we recycle. When our computers and tablets no longer work, we place them in the recycling bin for electronics. Look at those old computers. That's 4 recycling bins for our old electronics. 1, 2, 3, 4. Old metal goes into our recycling bin for metal. 3 recycling bins for old metal right here. 1, 2, 3. While we try to say no to lots of plastic, we do recycle the plastic that we use. Our plastics have their own recycling bin. Cousin Kyrie is recycling some organic materials. 2 organic recycling bins here. 1, 2. Great job, Cousin Kyrie. Old and broken glass is recycled too. 5 recycling bins for our old glass here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here come the big green recycling trucks down the street. 1, 2, 3. When we go grocery shopping, we carry our eco-friendly recyclable bags. Earth Day is about reducing our waste, reusing some items when we can, and recycling them, friends. So cheers for Earth Day! Don't forget to reduce, reuse, and recycle today and every day!